Hello, kindergarten scientists. Today I'm going to read aloud a book about the water cycle. Do you have any questions about what you want to learn about the water cycle? Do you know what the water cycle is? If you do, what do you know about the water cycle? All right, I'm going to start reading, and I hope you learned something at the end of this read aloud about the water cycle. Here's the front cover, The Wonderful Water Cycle by Lisa Shulman. Water. Hi, I'm a drop of water. I can go many places. I can fill oceans, lakes, and rivers. I can fight fires, and I can water gardens. I can even be in your water glass. Did you know that Earth has always had the same amount of water? The water you swim in, the water you wash with, and the water you drink has been used over and over. Water moves in a never-ending circle called the water cycle. Come with me, and I'll show you how it works. How water changes. Right now, I am a liquid. I am wet, and you can pour me. When the sun warms me, I evaporate. That means I change into a gas called water vapor, and I go up into the air. You can't see me anymore. Let's see how this works. How water changes again. After I have turned into water vapor, I ride on the winds. I travel over land and the oceans to new places. The wind also carries me up away from the earth. When water vapor gets very high and very cold, it condenses. This means the water vapor changes to tiny drops of water. The drops come together to make clouds. Clouds are just millions of tiny water drops. Rain and snow. When clouds become too big and heavy, the drops fall to the earth as rain. If the air is cold enough, some of the drops in the clouds will freeze into snow. When the snow melts, it becomes water again. The water cycle. Water returns to earth as rain or snow. It splashes into oceans, lakes, and rivers. It falls onto the ground and sometimes makes puddles. Water goes into streams and rivers that carry it to the ocean. Let's take a look at the picture here. There's some labels on this picture. At the very top on the cloud, that's where water condenses. And once that happens, the water in the cloud gets heavy and it turns to rain and it starts falling down. And that body of water in the picture is a river. It looks like some of that rain is falling into the river below. Water from the oceans, rivers, lakes, and ground evaporates. The water vapor goes up and condenses into tiny drops. Next, the drops form clouds, then the drops come down as rain or snow. And the wonderful water cycle begins again. Let's take a quick look at the picture. So we can see the water, the arrows are pointing from the water and going upward into the sky. That's water vapor rising. It's going up, it's moving upwards, it's going towards the sun, and there's the heat of the sun. The heat of the sun is going downwards to the water. All right, kindergarten scientists, I hope you enjoyed this read aloud. I hope you learned something about the water cycle, and you can explain what you learned about the water cycle to someone at home. Have a great day.